Hello children, welcome back to English class. This is Unit 3, The Fearless Fighter, Part 2. So in the last video, what did you learn from this lesson? This is the story of a courageous and determined girl, Janaki. Janaki could hardly breathe because of excitement. The ocean seemed more challenging than ever before, but nothing would shake Janaki's determination to win. Her heart was beating. As she was nervous, her heart was beating uncontrollably. She could see her teammates swimming closer towards her. Within seconds, it would be her turn to swim. What if my determination fails? So inwardly, she is thinking all these things. If I fail, then what happens? If my determination fails, what happens? What if I can't swim? Janaki put aside these thoughts and tried to concentrate on the event. So all these thoughts are disturbing her mind, but still she put all these thoughts aside and she concentrated on swimming. Before she realized, Janaki was swimming in the channel. She could hardly believe it, but she had a tough fight ahead. So it's not an easy thing to swim with American swimmers. So she tried a lot. She put all her effort to swim in the channel. Most of her energy was taken up by the waves that kept moving her legs sideways and the channel water that was very cold. So the channel water, channel means nothing but the sea. The sea water where the channel means a part of the sea where they have been taking part in the event. That is a channel. So the waves always keeps on moving her legs sideways, so it is very difficult to swim in the high sea. And the water was also very cold. The water was so salty that every time it entered my mouth it made me feel sick. Recalled Janaki. So when she got trained in the sea, she always used to taste the salt water, taste the sea water. So she is recalling all these things. Mm. The seaweeds and the jellyfish kept sticking to my body and made me extremely uncomfortable. See, no, seaweeds, jellyfishes, small fishes, crabs, all these things will be, all the small fishes and small creatures which are in the sea, they, they come and stick to the body, those who are swimming in the waters. So this makes the swimmers uncomfortable. But all the problems in the sea were forgotten as she swam to victory. So all these silly things she kept aside, all these thoughts and these discomforts she kept aside, and only her ambition is to swim and succeed in this event. A strange sense of fulfillment and an undying spirit of the achievement had overtaken all the difficulties. So, when you are determined to do anything to achieve your ambition, so nothing can stop you. So, all the things you can overtake all the difficulties. Janaki's swim for 2 hours and a half in the channel had given the world an outstanding example of courage and determination. So Janaki swam for 2.5 hours in the channel, and this gave her success. And it's an outstanding example of courage and determination. Janaki later remarked, one can overcome all the obstacles by hard work, determination, courage, and self reliance. So did she. So she already determined to participate in the event. So she had overcome all the obstacles through her hard work and determination courage and also self-reliance. She fought against her limitations and won the battle. So she fought all these difficulties, hardships and all, and at last she has achieved the battle. She had achieved her ambition. So she won the battle. So this is about Janaki. Okay, read the lesson for 2 times and underline the difficult words and write those words 2 times. That is your assignment. Children, here is your one more assignment. On the basis of your reading of the passage, tick the correct answer. Janaki practiced swimming 20 kilometers every day in the Arabian Sea. Janaki swam in the channel for 2 hours and a half. The channel officials were shocked to see Janaki because she was a handicapped girl. While swimming in the channel, Janaki faced a lot of difficulties. They were due to cold and salty water, seaweeds and jellyfish, both of the above. So both, she faced a lot of difficulties uh, due to seaweeds and jellyfishes and also cold and salty water. So this one also you have to write in your notebooks as assignment. The next one more work is there, true or false. Write true or false for the following statements. Janaki was not allowed to make a solo attempt in the channel. True. Janaki's teammates were Indians. False. Her teammates were American swimmers. Okay. Janaki did not need much training to fulfill the conditions of the English Channel Swimming Association. No, it's false. Why? Because she has trained herself a lot to participate in the English Channel Swimming Association. The officials of the English Channel Association were not much impressed with Janaki's confidence. False. They were very much impressed with Janaki's confidence. Janaki's ambition was to swim alone in the English Channel. True. But she didn't get the chance as the boat for her safety is not available. So she has to swim with the other teammates. All the difficulties Janaki faced while swimming in the channel were forgotten as she swam to victory. Yes, it's true. Janaki believed in luck and did not want to work hard. No, it's absolutely false. She believed in her hard work. She trained herself so hardly, spending 10 hours every day in the sea, in the high sea also. So that's why she could achieve her ambition. So this also you have to write in your notebooks. So this is all for today. Meet you in the next class.